All right, so I made deviled eggs, and they're made with, egg yolks, little mayo, mustard, sweet relish, and topped with paprika. And I made a chocolate chip ricotta cake with almond flour and eggs, ricotta cheese, and chocolate chips.
Looks so good.
Enjoy.
All right, who's next?
Kathleen.
I'll go.
Kathleen.
Yeah, so I brought guac.
Ooh.
It's actually a family recipe, so I can't really tell you everything in there, but it's pretty much avocado, tomato, pepper, cilantro, salt, pepper, jalapeno. It's pretty good.
Looks good.
Yeah, the rest is a secret. I can't tell you.
All right, moving on to Caitlin.
Bean salad. It has navy beans, chickpeas, farro, green peppers, red peppers, a little oil and vinegar, and salt and pepper.
Yum. Alex.
Hi, I made a strawberry summer salad. It's actually on the table. So it has the base is spinach, red onion, strawberries, feta cheese, walnuts, and then I also homemade the dressing. So it's a strawberry vinaigrette. It was really easy to make. It was basically strawberries, some apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and honey.
Sounds good. I'm ready. All right, who's next? Dana.
So I brought a cheese plate, and so it's over here. I've got some grapes and almonds, some apples and pears, some olives, and different cheeses. So, and our little terrapin over here to spread the cheese.
Nice. Okay, who's next?
I brought the wine.
Yes. Woo.
Oh, and there's
pizza in the oven.
Oh, okay, let's see. Let's get a look.
how's it doing?
That looks so good.
Homemade dough.
That looks good. Are we missing one? Oh, we're missing the Oh.
I brought the subs from Miller's. It's a small deli market near where I live. And we've got tuna and Italian and then homemade salami.
Sounds good. All right, and how about the pistachio?
The bag's over there.
Who made the
Oh, yes. Explain your energy bites. What did you make? Okay, it's okay. I'll get a shot first. These are pistachio energy bites made by Clara.
Yeah, they have dates in them and pistachios and matcha powder and coconut oil and yeah, they're pretty and green.
Looks good. Looks good. All right, so that's all the food we have. Thanks for watching. Everyone say goodbye. Bye to the live.